again, audience of Expert Channel, welcome again. Now we have interview with some people from Poland. His name is John. He is participating in WISE 2021 in Qatar. And we have to know about himself, about his company, about his participant, why he is in WISE, about the WISE conference itself. So we'll start with him by introducing himself.
I'm Jan Pomierny and I'm a founder and CEO of Science Now, which is a strategic design company studio from Poland. We're based in Warsaw. And I came to WISE because I knew about the conference for many years now, and I learned about WISE when one of the projects which we are participating in the name of the project is Universe Awareness, and is coordinated by Leiden University, and that project was recognized by WISE community already several years ago, and they actually received an award here. So I was always interested to come, and now finally this year, after actually pandemic, it was very difficult here last year, I had a chance to come and to participate in WISE, like here, not only online but here in Qatar. And for us, the main goal and the most interesting thing was to hear different perspectives on how we can combine different disciplines, so not only science but also art and design, in supporting a strategic approach to education. Because what we do within our studio is that we run, among other projects, we run a program which is devoted to young people from different fields, and we call this program Art, Design, Science. And the idea for that is how we can combine different kinds of expertise and different kinds of perspectives for finding a solution for social challenges, and that can be a climate emergency challenges. That can be an idea of a light pollution, but also a sound pollution that we have in our cities. But that can be also about very positive things or positive aspects of today's world. It's also about what could be a sound landscape of a city. So by combining different perspectives, we can actually find interesting solutions by a strategic design approach. And this is also a super interesting way to find a new model of education, which is very unusual to what we have in our schools. So it's about supporting a formal process of education, but more informal activities by using this platform of combining art, design, and science.
Nice. That's mean thinking outside the box.
Yeah, outside
okay,
the
but
box.
my question, I am happy because you have experience about WISE and you are not new, but I need to talk about this WISE conference 2021. Because they talk, I don't know this coming by chance, that 2021, and they talk about 21st century, the skills in education. And also they have themes, unmute. Unmute, what's meaning for you?
Yeah.
What's the new in this project?
Yeah, so I think unmuting a new generation is actually about finding new models for education, which will be for 21st century and not for 20th century, right? It's about actually, again, thinking out of the box, because our box of 20th century for education was like, we have physics, we have math, we have science, we have biology, we have history education, right? This kind of stuff. And now, I think a new approach to education, finding a new model to unmute a new generation, is about finding intersections right between these disciplines and making maybe our new curriculums in a more multidisciplinary way. I think that was...
Yes, you are right, but also at my understanding from the theme unmute, that means all the time, all the time. The students or the youth people, the young people, not participate in curriculum, not participate in exam process, not participate in anything. They have ready curriculum, they have ready system of education and follow it. Now the conference, and this announced from many speakers, need the youth to unmute and talk about these needs.
Yeah.
The students now, 21st century, talk about social communication. talk about digital culture communication, talk about life skills. So the students need him or need to ask him, please, and this mentioned in Arabic, slogan in Arabic, talk, speak. Ask questions.
So it's not only about being passive student; it's more to being active and to be able as a student to be able to even participating in defining what is the curriculum, right? To have their input as well.
Sure.
So I think it's also a trend in science, right? When we have open science, where we even have projects that we can involve people in research, like citizen science projects. So it's of course it's a different thing, but I would say it's a very similar approach.
Yes.
That we are not saying that we are scientists, we have our laboratories. But we are closing them, and you can only listen us.
Sure.
So this is the difference actually between science communication and science engagement, right? That we engage people in science, and I think for education it should be actually the same. That it's not that we are teachers and we know everything. We have to listen, and as students we have platforms to actually interact.
At least design or mention what they need. What do they look like need the education.
Because sometimes they might be even more clever than we are, right? As teachers or as educators, because they know what is the current needs, the current situation, and they are even way more proficient than we are in modern tools, right? So they can actually teach us what tools we can use to teach them what is our knowledge, right?
Sure. Also, I knew a lot of students. They came and participate. Some of them presenters, some of them only audience and watching and participate to see the activity. And the students which I meet, I am amazing. They understood everything. They are happy with this conference because they told me, gave me my right. I now part of the solution. Not all the time I receive. Now I have my finger.
So it's not only about one side. It's also about combining the other side, right? It's and we're developing this new models for education together. It's not only about that we as teachers or we as educators. We have only keys to that. Is that we need other side, right? And it's not really other. It's about one system, right? We are combining one system. It's not about that we have everything and you have to just listen. It's also about listening to the other side.
Okay, thank you. So we are understand what we have to talk about. But
and
I need from your side, because also you have, I believe, some system or organization or company. Talk, and I need to ask you a specific question about your project, your company project, and the theme of this conference 2021 to talk about 21st century of skills in education. So I need the specific, not need general, specific. Where can find or apply from your company or project this theme or this?
So I think this is, I mentioned that one of our programs is Art, Design, Science. This is the name of the program, and it's run by our studio, and the name of the studio is Science Now. And I think this theme of which you mentioned several times for WISE, describing WISE this year, is very similar to what is our approach, because our observation was that even at the universities we have a very in the box thinking, right? We have this department, other department, and it's not really very about joining forces and joining ideas from different departments. If as a young person, if you decide to go to study something, you usually actually going more and more inside this box. And what is our approach? And this is why. So this our program works in this way, that we are mixing in a small groups, 6 to 8 people. We're mixing young people, but from different disciplines. So you can imagine that within Yes. So you can imagine that within one group we have engineers, we have coders, we have also designers, we even have musicians. So we combining different approaches, different perspectives from them. Sometimes it's very difficult for them to find the same language, but this is the first challenge. That if they find it, they come with outstanding outcomes.
Sure.
And they are finding super interesting solutions which are very outside of the box. And I would say it would be very difficult for them to find these solutions when they would stay in their boxes. But it's more about combining that. Like you can combine a musician and a lawyer, right? You can combine an engineer and someone who is an artist, right? Usually you think that they are so far from each other,
Sure.
and they are not.
Nobody can work alone. In this year, in this world, in this time, everything have linked together.
Yeah.
And you cannot think alone. You cannot create anything alone.
Yeah, because what is challenges that we have in our current world are not from specific disciplines. They are very you need to find solutions for that, for these challenges. You need to find a very multidisciplinary approach, right, to find the right solution for these challenges.
Okay, thank you. But I need to finalize your interview by one word to say to our audience and Expert Channel and your channel and wide audience. Advice, anything to close this.
Yeah, I would. My final words would be actually to say thank you, because it's my. I returned to Qatar after 5 years. I visited Qatar quite a lot between 2012 and 2016. Been involved in several projects here, and now I return after 5 years. And I learned about WISE many years ago. Now I've actually finally had the chance to participate in it. And I'm very grateful for having this platform, international platform, to share our ideas, but also to learn it from others. I think that's a really impressive thing, and I'm grateful to Qatar Foundation for having that opportunity.
For me, I can close this interview by thinking about lifelong learner. We are to believe about this lifelong learner. Each one can teach us something, and we also can teach others something. If we are open-minded and open to learn from others, we'll achieve a lot of things. Okay, thank you, Mr. Jan.
Thank you, my friend.
See you later, inshallah, next conference.
Absolutely, or maybe even before that.
Thank you. Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.